Hello guys, me back, another video. This one is a special one. Okay, this is a really special one. It's really special. If you're wondering what I'm looking at, I'm just sorting these out in my binder. So we're doing 10 facts you might not know about me. Number 10. I have a friend which is German and don't ask me. Number 9. I cause a lot of fights in school. Number 8. Don't mess with me. Number 7. I live by DIY Queen. Yes, get it. Don't lie, don't show off to the girls. Okay. Which is just what you like. Okay. And guys, please don't make fun of this one. Number 6. Like, I'm not going to tell you a secret. But, okay, the number 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and yeah. Those are the secrets that I have over 100 made. Thanks for watching. I bet you did not expect this thing. Sorry this video is so messed up. I'm not going to say bye yet because I'm still carrying on. Okay, so the next thing is you fart on your face, mate. Yeah. Okay. I don't fart, so yeah, don't tell me off. Okay. Sorry, I'm getting carried away. Get in there! Go! Don't ask me why it takes me a lot of tries to put this Wayne Rooney in when I don't expect to have those many Rooneys. And yes, this is even a Rooney itself. I'm going to put that Rooney first, actually. Okay, guys, if you like, okay, tell me in the comments if you like Magnolia and Vanilla. Then tell me. Because the spray the hell out of you, mate. Sorry for being racist there, but I actually wonder. Oh yeah, that smells good. Smell it. Oh yeah. Guys, you might not wanna do this, but I have this. It is a gem. It is a giveaway one. I found it on the floor. Don't ask me. Okay, but guys, you know what? I have sad news. Goodbye. I know that would fail. Bye.